And once again, good morning. This is Stone Pickers. Now I show you some new pickup stone. This is looks like this is not a black color. You can see the looks like blue black, but that is not the black color. But that is the blue color, dark blue. And the white crystal looks like chondrite. This is maybe moon rock. This is also unique rock meteorite. Yeah, you can see the dark brown. That is the fusion cross. Yeah, it looks very beautiful stone. So this is my new pickup stone. I don't know what kind of meteorite is this, but this is the unique. I don't know, but I think this is Monroe or uh, Martian meteorite, yeah, or lunar meteorite. Yeah, it's very beautiful. Okay, thank you. This is all available. If you are interested, just contact me. Thank you.